Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to block ads on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this, you can just simply scroll down here, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings again, and here you can just simply tap on the see more in account center, and here you can see the option add preferences in account settings section. Tap on it, and here you can customize ads. You can customize your ads by your own, and it is a way you can block ads on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.